Hello everyone, today, we're going to talk about the best vegetables for kids. Vegetables are an essential part of a healthy and balanced diet. And it's important for children to start incorporating them into their meals from a young age. Not only are they nutritious, but they also help develop strong bones and teeth, improve digestion, and boost their immune system. Here are the top 5 vegetables that are perfect for kids. 1. Spinach. This leafy green is packed with nutrients like iron, calcium, and vitamin K. It's easy for kids to eat on their own or mix in with their meals, and it's a great way to introduce them to the world of veggies. 2. Broccoli. This bright purple veggie is low in calories and high in fiber, making it perfect for kids. It also contains vitamin C, K, and A, which are essential for a healthy body. 3. Carrots. Carrots are a great source of beta-carotene, which helps the body produce vitamin A. They're low in calories and easy for kids to chew on, making them a popular choice for snacks. 4. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are rich in vitamins A, C, and B6, as well as minerals like potassium and iron. They're sweet and tender, making them a pleasant treat for kids. 5. Bell peppers. Bell peppers are a colorful group of veggies that are loaded with vitamin C and antioxidants. They're mild and easy for kids to eat, and they can be used in a variety of dishes. In conclusion, incorporating a variety of colorful vegetables into your child's diet is essential for a healthy and balanced diet. These top 5 veggies are not only nutritious, but they're also enjoyable for kids. So, make sure to include them in your child's meals and watch them grow up strong and healthy.